Today, we will talk about a deed of release, what it is, how it works, and provide an example. A deed of release is a legal document that removes a previous claim on an asset. It provides documentation of release from a binding agreement. A deed of release might be included and a lender transfers the title of real estate to the homeowner upon satisfaction of the mortgage. A deed of release literally releases the parties from previous obligations. A good way to understand how a deed of release works is to consider it in a common situation: home buying. Most individuals purchase their homes with a mortgage provided by a financial institution. The bank providing the funds for the mortgage takes a legal claim against the house as collateral until the loan is paid off. A mortgage deed of release is created and the borrower meets all mortgage payment terms or makes a full prepayment to satisfy the loan. The lender holds the title to the property until that time and is formally a lien holder of record on the property until full and final payment is made. Employment agreements are another scenario where a deed of release might be used. The document can free both the employer and the employee of any obligations that they had under their employment agreement. In some cases, a deed of release might give an employee a designated payment, such as in the case of a severance package. The most common example of a deed of release is when someone buys a home and takes out a mortgage to purchase the property. The lender holds the lien on the home as the entity to which you owe money. When you complete your mortgage terms and pay off the loan in full, a mortgage deed of release can be created. Another example is associated with personal guarantees, where you assume personal responsibility for a debt, even if that debt is owed by a business entity that you own. You could agree to end a personal guarantee through a deed of release. If you failed to receive a deed of release because your lending bank failed and went into FDIC receivership, contact the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation for help. The FDIC offers an interactive search tool to find out if your bank was acquired by the government through receivership. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A deed of release literally releases parties from previous obligations, such as payments under the term of a mortgage, because the loan has been paid off. 2. The lender holds the title to real property until the mortgage's terms have been satisfied, when a deed of release is commonly entered into. 3. A deed of release can also free an employer and an employee of any obligations that they had under their employment agreement, such as in the case of a severance package. 4. Deed of release forms can also be used to relieve personal guarantee obligations for business loans. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.